Hey everyone, Steve from the forums. Just gonna do a quick video, of my BMS here. Did blow through a couple of channels on the BMS. They've been repaired, and I just still haven't gotten the BMS to work correctly. I mean, I've checked pretty much all the components from all the channels here. Some of these lights are a little bit lit just because I did try charging the pack a little bit, so it might be a little bit high still. So it's just bleeding off a little bit of current. But everything looks good. I mean, all these channels, I changed a couple diodes, a couple of the transistors. I think the one for the low voltage cutoff blew, a couple of little tiny resistors. But overall, it's working okay. I did change some of these as well, over here and here. I'm not sure what they're called, but you know, based on multimeter testing and comparing it with other channels, everything looks good. So for the pot here, so this is the end of charge pot. I'm going to send it all the way to the the clockwise position. So it's all the way turned to the right. And I have my little buzzer here, which low voltage alarm. But I'm just going to plug my charger in. It's a little bit loud. Put it over there. And I'm just going to show you what happens as the pack reaches the end of charge. So here it goes. Okay, the light is, right now the light is green. I want to show you, hold on. I'm going to turn this up about halfway. We're going to try plugging this in again. The charger's tuned to be 4.2 volts a cell basically. Okay. I'm going to just shut off the light here. I just want you guys to get a better view. So right now you can notice the LED is orange. It may look a little green in the video, but it is actually orange. And let's see here, any moment now it should start to kick in. There it is. So what it's doing right now, all the channels are, all these lights, you may not see it in the video, but they're flashing a little bit. They're going on and off for a split second. Look at my LED now. So again, you may not see in the video, but it's full red now, and it's flashing. It's flashing so fast. I'm not sure if it's turning green or yellow, but basically that's what happens. And I could feel that the board is getting hot, so the resistors are kicking in. And yeah, so I mean, if I try to turn the pot right now, I'm just gonna turn this on for a second. This light. Turn all the way to the left. It still does it. It's still flashing. If I turn it all the way to the right, still does the same thing. Nothing's changing. I just turn it back to the middle. I'm going to unplug my charger. See what's lit. A couple of the channels are still lit. Basically bleeding off the current. It's quite a bit warm. Now, the BMS is a bit warm to the touch. If I turn this all the way to the right again, I'm going to plug my charger in again. Now it doesn't go green at all. Because if you would notice, like when it was cold, the BMS, it went straight to green when I turned it clockwise. Now that it's warmed up, it's flashing. It won't go green again. It's very bizarre. I mean, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna turn it now counterclockwise all the way. Plug it in. And now it's just flashing. Again, still doing red, or it's full red and it's going greenish or yellowish. And all these channels are flashing a bit. It's starting to smell a little bit because it's really hot. It's getting hot. So, if you guys know what's going on, I mean, try to help me out here because I really don't know what to do. And there we go, there's all my balance tabs and all that. Thanks.